Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I am doing well today. I am doing well today. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. How is your day going? How is your day going? My day is going well. My day is going well. It is a nice day today. It is a nice day today. The weather is great. The weather is great. I like sunny days. I like sunny days. Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? Yes, I live close by. Yes, I live close by. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I work in an office. I work in an office. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. How long have you worked there? How long have you worked there? I started last year. I started last year. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books. I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy watching movies. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. Yes, I love coffee. This cafe is nice. This cafe is nice. I come here often. I come here often. The atmosphere is relaxing. The atmosphere is relaxing. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Sometimes on weekends. Sometimes on weekends. Weekends are my favorite time. Weekends are my favorite time. I like relaxing on Sundays. I like relaxing on Sundays. Do you travel often? Do you travel often? I travel once a year. I travel once a year. Traveling is exciting. Traveling is exciting. I like exploring new places. I like exploring new places. Do you enjoy music? Do you enjoy music? Yes, I listen to music daily. Yes, I listen to music daily. Music makes me happy. Music makes me happy. Do you watch TV shows? Do you watch TV shows? Yes, sometimes in the evening. Yes, sometimes in the evening. I like comedy shows. I like comedy shows. They make me laugh. They make me laugh. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. Yes, I like football. Sports are fun to watch. Sports are fun to watch. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? I try to stay active. I try to stay active. Staying healthy is important. Staying healthy is important. Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook sometimes. Yes, I cook sometimes. Cooking is relaxing. Cooking is relaxing. I like trying new recipes. I like trying new recipes. Do you like learning languages? Do you like learning languages? Yes, I enjoy learning English. Yes, I enjoy learning English. English is useful worldwide. English is useful worldwide. Practice helps a lot. Practice helps a lot. I practice English daily. I practice English daily. Repeating sentences helps memory. Repeating sentences helps memory. Speaking improves confidence. Speaking improves confidence. Listening improves pronunciation. Listening improves pronunciation. Learning takes time. Learning takes time. Progress comes slowly. Progress comes slowly. Small practice matters. Small practice matters. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. Confidence grows every day. Confidence grows every day. Speaking becomes easier. Speaking becomes easier. English connects people. English connects people. Communication is important. Communication is important. Talking builds relationships. Talking builds relationships. Small talk starts conversations. Small talk starts conversations. Friendly words make people comfortable. Friendly words make people comfortable. A smile helps conversation. A smile helps conversation. Being polite is important. Being polite is important. Listening carefully is important. Listening carefully is important. Conversations build friendships. Conversations build friendships. Communication brings people closer. Communication brings people closer. Speaking English opens opportunities. Speaking English opens opportunities. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy learning new words. Practice brings improvement. Practice brings improvement. Daily practice builds fluency. Daily practice builds fluency. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. English becomes easier every day. English becomes easier every day. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. Keep repeating the sentences. Keep repeating the sentences. Practice every day. Practice every day. Your English will improve. Your English will improve. Stay confident and positive. Stay confident and positive. Learning English is exciting. Learning English is exciting. Every small step matters. Every small step matters. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Progress takes patience. Progress takes patience. You are doing great. You are doing great. Continue practicing daily. Continue practicing daily. Listening helps understanding. Listening helps understanding. Speaking builds confidence. Speaking builds confidence. Learning never stops. Learning never stops. Stay curious and motivated. Stay curious and motivated. Enjoy the learning process. Enjoy the learning process. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Keep improving your English. Keep improving your English. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Keep learning English every day. Keep learning English every day.